Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you a quick trip on how to display formulas in Excel. As an instructor, you get your work sent by students and you want to see which formulas they have put, and possibly that was part of the assessment. There is a very quick way you can be able to display the formulas that have been used in an Excel sheet rather than the resulting figure. There are two ways I'll show you quickly. We have this data here, and one way is to go to the formulas menu. Once you go to the formulas menu, then you select show formulas. Then the Excel shows all the formulas that have been put in each of the cell. I can repeat again. Go to formulas menu, then you select show formulas. Then that works. The keyboard shortcut is to press the control key and the apostrophe key, the one that is before, just below the escape key and before key number 1. So you press control key and the apostrophe, so it shows you the formulas and it hides the formulas. So that is a quick way you can be able to use to assess the students' formulas that have been put in an Excel sheet. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video.